Microphone I got is the KIMAFUN wireless microphone, and so I got another wireless microphone. I got a couple of different ones because I'm gonna try them all out because I have lots of different video needs and stuff. Not necessarily these videos, but so let's check this out. So this is the KIMAFUN microphone. Comes with the instructions, and let's see here, nice little headset with the wire on it, so I can go into production mode here. Hello, everybody. Comes with a little lapel mic, which is nice to have as well. Clip for the lapel mic. The little windscreens for the lapel mic. Splitter. And then here we go. Here is the wireless contraption, so I can connect it up to the wire of this or to the lapel mic. So this will be the sender. I'll take this off right now. So that's that. Comes with apparently the wireless charger. That's the micro USB wire, as you can see there. And then this is the receiver end. So this will be what plugs into the amplifier or the whatever I want to plug it into. But it seems like I should need the bigger tip than this one. And does it come with one? Oh, I thought maybe it came with one. Ah, it does. So here's well, maybe not. I don't know. It seems like I'd want the bigger. Oh, here it is. It does come with I don't know what size that's called. But so this will plug into there, so it'll be able to fit into the speaker. So it looks like it comes with everything. I'm excited to give this one a go, but that's what it looks like when you unbox it and open it up.